Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to backup Outlook mail contents to file. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open and Export. Click Export to a file. Click Next. Click Outlook Data File. Click Next. Select Mail ID. Click Next. Click Finish. Type password. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.